Oh, hello. It's me again. I've been out to the garage. I went out there to have a little look around. And of course, there was more stuff there. So, if you were watching the last episode, probably the last episode, oh, you probably saw that I was trying out a great thing called a V-Link that didn't work. So, this Vic-20, actually I had moved it in yesterday, so it's not cold. No condensation, but who knows when it was last tried. Let's see what happens. Oh, Shazam. Oh, good. Alright, what does this one say? Oh yeah, works. Yes it does. Well, this one also seems to work. That's a good thing. You know what, just because I would still like to see if a different machine makes any difference at all. This thing really is, it's a snug fit. It has RTC. Ooh. Oh man, I don't know if that's in. Let's see. Felt like it was in. Yeah, that's the same. Let me just take that out again. RTC likes to use these end of cable connectors made by AMP. They use them for everything, it seems. Alright. Let me just see what I can see. Boy, this one seems tighter in terms of the case. It really doesn't want to go in. You may have seen this act before. Oh dear. Well, that doesn't work. But, boy, that's having a hard time going into. What's going on here? Oh, is that in? Are we in? And we are working. But it seems to be stuck. It should be. Oh. Well, that's strange. Maybe I just need to leave it longer. That's very strange. Usually, after it's been there for not very long, it goes into its own demo mode. But it's not. Right? Let's just work this around a little bit. Alright. And if it won't, well, this is very strange. Oh, the shift lock is down. Oh! The shift lock is down. And when the shift lock is down, it does seem to slow everything down. Let's see if it slows this down. It does. I wonder if this was a feature or a mistake? Interesting. Let's try that again without the shift lock down. Comes up. And it goes to its demo. But if I press the shift lock, look at these things that are flashing here, the F1, the F3. By the way, I don't know why, I don't know what other color combinations would be good, but anyway. But as soon as I press the shift key, I hear a funny noise, just a little, and everything slows down. Watch this. Want it faster? Yum, 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 yum. Slower? I wonder if the shift does the same thing. It does. I never knew this. Never, ever, 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 ever. As I say, I wonder, is it a mistake? Or what? What could it be? Well, since we're here, well, there's one thing. Somebody mentioned to me the volume was too high when this was on. And you know, here's the thing of this. I don't have the remote for this TV. So somewhere in the back, here's the volume. But which button? I don't know, so just bear with me. Alright, it's not that. What have I done? Oh, okay. Alright, it's not that. It's not the top one. Oh dear. Okay, it's not the second one. Let's try the third one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's still pretty loud. 1, 2, 3. That seems better. Alright, sorry about that. Alright. So, we've discovered the shift lock. But more important, hey, I wonder if that does anything. No, it doesn't seem to do anything during the game. Fast of 3, 1, 2, 3, and get them all. It did not. I'm in trouble. Serious trouble. Serious trouble. Of course, I should have moved. Oh, gotta get better at this. And I have trouble. See, I want to get. Oh no! Oh no! 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 I want to get better at moving. Oh dear. And stopping. And also getting well, that was fun. As you can see, my skill level has improved dramatically. Anyway, so we have another working Vic-20. I will have to mark this and put it with the pile. That probably means I think we're up to 16. And we have found, behold the screen. If the shift is depressed, I wonder if that's any key. Oh. Well, it seems that a variety of keys do something. No, we're not playing again. Okay. So, we have a working Vic-20, and we found out that if you push a key while playing a Mega Race, things slow down, except in the game. Alright, thank you for being here. I'm still not giving up on this this V-Link. I cannot give up. I knew Peter Smith. I think he perished long ago, but he was a character. Mr. Green Jeans, they called him. He would usually show up at all kinds of trade shows in his coveralls, which are not the same as overalls. Coveralls are like everything. But once in a while he would show up in other things. And RTC made some interesting things. I just wish this V-Link would work. Thank you for being here. Bye for now.